Hi, welcome to MetaHomes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to maintain a 100% listing score for your properties. Click on Agent Center to see all your listings. Here, you'll find an overview of your dashboard. Click on Manage Listings to make necessary changes that will boost your listing score. MetaHomes has a listing score system that affects how well your properties rank in search results. At the top or the page right here, you can see your listing score, and it tells you what's missing. No title. Poor quality pictures. No video. No VR. No description. Missing facilities. Uncompetitive pricing. To achieve a 100% listing score, you need to check the real estate market to ensure your pricing is competitive. Optimize your title and description by using relevant keywords like spacious, modern, or prime location. Furnished, unfurnished. Also mention amenities, nearby attractions, and selling points in your description. For example, let's say I want to edit this property and get a 100% listing score. First, I click on Update Listing. Then, I click on Edit. Here, you can see the title score is 0 because I haven't followed the required criteria. The character count should be between 55 and 60, including spaces. If you follow this, you'll earn 5 points. Adding relevant keywords to your title gives you another 5 points. And if you highlight a unique selling point, you get an additional 5 points. A good title alone can give you 15 points. The next part is the description. It should have at least 250 words. If this is done correctly, then you earn 5 points, and if you add unique selling points key and keywords, then you earn additional 5 points. The next section on the list is the pricing. Make sure your price is competitive by checking the market rates to avoid prices that are way higher or lower than similar listings. Another important section that helps you maintain a higher score is the VR section. Adding a VR tour improves ranking. You can add a VR by simply clicking on VR Studio at the right here. Then click Edit VR to upload one. If you need help, send a collaboration invite to MetaHomes. After this, you have the most important section, which is photos. You are required to upload at least 5 high-quality photos, bright, clear, no clutter. Make sure that the cover photo is catchy enough to attract potential clients. A floor plan is also required for full points. Adding a video also boosts your score. The video should not exceed 100 megabytes. Once everything is updated, click Save. Double-check your changes. Then click Submit. MetaHomes will review your listing before it goes live. Once approved, your property will rank higher in search results then. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact MetaHomes support. See you in the next tutorial.